Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, FWD, four-wheel disc brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors, remote trunk release, LED headlights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.